International Society for Krishna Consciousness Iskcon Temple, Imphal, organized the Hindu religious festival of Rath Yatra, locally known as Kangchingma. A chariot procession carrying the idols of Lords Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra along the Tiddim road stretch with immense religious fanfare marks the beginning of the religious festival. Devotees chanted the names of gods while pulling the ceremonial chariot through the streets. Gathered crowds offered flowers, fruits and other auspicious items to the idols, praying for health, peace and prosperity. The chariot procession commenced at the Iskcon temple in Manipur, traversing Kwakatel, Tiddim ground and the airport road sections before returning to the temple complex. Highlighting the significance of the event, Iskcon Manipur Development Committee Secretary Banamali Das noted that the annual ritual is organized each year with deep religious fervor. He emphasized that believers can heal their pain, alleviate suffering, and attain peace, protection, and wisdom by connecting with the divine through the chanting of holy names and slokas. He further appealed to all devotees to actively participate in the 9-day festival.
Jagat Jagat the Lord of the Universe. Malayta, on the Jat, Bijati, we never one, but the Canada, somebody, my uncle doing unity for a puggy, and blowing up in some for a puggy, I don't forget on it. But the Amadi is Yaman, you have told not to the same. That was a magic of Sabara, the tribal.